Mia had $2.45. Her friend gave her $1.80. Then, they bought ice cream for $3.10. How much money do they have left?
Welcome back. We've made it to the final quest for level 5. We've learned how to count coins and dollars, but this time, we'll have to apply our addition and subtraction skills too. Let's get started. Have you ever gone shopping with your family or friends, maybe at the grocery store or the mall? Shopping is a great time to use your math skills. You need to be able to add and subtract and know how coins and dollars work. You might add up the prices to find the total cost and subtract to see if you have enough money and figure out how much change you'll get back. Math makes shopping easier and even more fun. Mia has prepped some shopping story problems for us to solve. Just like we practiced in Unit 2, we'll need to visualize what's happening in each problem and think carefully to decide whether to add, subtract, or maybe even do both to find our answer. Grab your pencil and try these with me in your guided notes. Our first problem says, Jasmine wants to buy a big lollipop for 65 cents and a small lollipop for 40 cents. How much money does she need? We've learned that circling the numbers and underlining the question in a story problem can help us solve it. Let's find those important parts. Here we have 65 and 40, both in cents. Our question asks, how much money does she need? Let's close our eyes and picture the story. Imagine Jasmine in the candy aisle holding a lollipop in each hand. She needs to figure out how much money she needs to buy both treats. Since both prices are in cents, we can line them up vertically and add. First, 5 plus 0 equals 5. Then, 6 plus 4 equals 10. I'll write down the 0 and carry the 1 to the hundreds place to regroup. Since there are no other digits in the hundreds place, we just bring the 1 down. That gives us 105 cents. 105 cents. That's a lot of cents. I'm thinking back to our last quest. Do you remember how we can write 100 cents another way? We learned that 100 cents is the same as $1. So 105 cents is the same as $1.05, written like this with a dollar sign in front of it. Nice job. We're ready for another problem, Mia. Austin had $2.95. He bought a snack for $1.50. How much money does he have left? Circle the numbers and underline the question in your notes. We have dollars and cents this time. Let's picture this to help us solve. Austin has $2.95. He gave $1.50 to the cashier to pay for his snack, meaning money has been taken away. Which operation should we use? Yes, subtraction. Let's split up our dollars and cents to subtract. We'll look at cents first. He started with 95 and spent 50. We can line these up to subtract. 5 minus 0 equals 5, and 9 minus 5 equals 4. So he had 45 cents left. Now, dollars. He started with $2 and he spent 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. He has $1 left. If we put that together, he has $1.45 left. Great work! Mia has one more for us before we solve our quest. Natasha went to the grocery store for some fruit. She bought grapes for $2.67 and bananas for $1.55. How much money did she spend? Circle the numbers we are working with and underline our question. Now, let's close our eyes and picture this. She added grapes into her cart for $2.67. Then she grabbed bananas for $1.55. What's our operation? We need to add the two numbers to find her total grocery cost. Let's break these numbers apart into dollars and cents. She started with 67 cents and added 55 more. Line these up vertically. 7 plus 5 equals 12. I'll write the 2 here and carry our 1 to regroup. 6 plus 1 equals 7, plus 5 equals 12. So I'll write the 2 here and carry our 1. Since we have nothing else in the hundreds place, I'll bring this 1 down. We have 122 cents. That number is over 100 cents, which means we can exchange for another dollar. How many? Right. We have 100 or $1. That leaves us with 22 cents. Now, let's add up our dollars. 2 plus 1 plus the extra 1 we just exchanged for coins gives us $4. If we combine that with our cents, we have $4.22. We're ready for our quest. It says Mia has $2.45. Her friend gave her $1.80. Then they bought ice cream for $3.10. How much money do they have left? Let's circle our numbers and underline our question. $2.45, $1.80, and $3.10. This problem has 3 numbers. It looks like there's going to be more than one step to solve this. Mia, can you help us act this out? Here's Mia with the $2.45 she started with. Her friend comes along and gives her $1.80 more, which means we are adding to the amount Mia had. Let's do that first. Starting with cents, we have 45 plus 80, which gives us 125. This is more than 100, so we can add another dollar, and we have 25 cents left over. Now, if we add all our dollars, we have $4. Put it together, and we have $4.25. Our first part is solved, but let's think through the next part. We know Mia now has $4.25. Mia and her friend go and buy ice cream for $3.10. They're giving their money to the cashier, which means they will have less. We'll need to subtract that from the first total we found. Let's start with cents. 25 minus 10 equals 15 cents. Now we can subtract our dollars. 4 minus 3 equals 1. If we put the dollars and cents together, we know Mia will have $1.15 left after they buy their ice cream. Great work! Write this on your math quest while I input our answer. Great work! I bet you can help someone at home next time you go shopping. You used dollars, coins, addition, subtraction, and regrouping to solve real-world problems. Remember, every problem has a solution, and we've got the skills to solve it. See you next time. Hey.